Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve the disk not initialized from your or experiencing on your Windows computer. This will hopefully work for you guys. Let's jump straight into it guys. Go to search menu and type cmd, run as administrator, click yes. Now you need to type disk part, no need space, only one word is that. Press enter. Next command is list space disk, list space disk. Press enter guys. Now if you are having multiple disk listening here, so I only have one hard drive listen here, but you are gonna be selecting the drive you are having issue. Select disk, whatever number disk is. I'm saying here disk 0, whatever number you have it, select it. Now type SELECT space disk, press enter. There is no disk selected. You need to click on need to add number of disk. Okay, I don't have 2 disk, that's why I am not giving that. You need to add your disk issue problem of it. Next step, you need to type CLEAN, press enter. There is no disk selected, that's a problem is mine, so you will be fine. Now next step is CREATE space PARTITION space PRIMARY. Press enter. The next step, you need to type active ACTIVE, press enter. Select the number issue in disk afterwards. Now you need to type FORMAT space FS equal to ntfs space QUICK quick. Press enter. I don't have new drives, that's the problem showing like that. You will be fine. That's it guys for today's video. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching my video guys. Give me a thumbs up. Thank you. Goodbye.